Okay, that's a Notch Chester Deluxe paired with the Notch Sentinel harness. We have a double bridge, one with a swivel, one with a ring. We have an added carabiner with a couple pieces of equipment on it. A couple pieces of gear on it. Got my scrinch. Carry a 48 and a 24-inch strap. Captain's hook. The other side of my lanyard. This 25-foot lanyard been tended with a K1 keeper. Front side. A rope wrench. My first aid kit. Alright, let's see how y'all run yours. What you got, how you keep it set up.